Hey kings and queens, it is December 30th, one day before New Year's Eve, and of course 2 days before New Year's Day. I'm so excited, you guys, and for this video I wanted it to be very personal. That's kind of why I'm doing it vlog style. I really wanted it to be for my last video of 2019. I wanted to basically show you guys how I make and create my vision boards. Somebody did previously ask to see how I make my vision board, and basically I'm going to not stop until everything comes into fruition through that vision board. 2019 has taught me to not depend on so many other people for help. Basically just kind of go out there and do it yourself and be a go-getter, because at the end of the day the only person that you have backing you up is you. So you have to continue to be a boss. Like this says, Boss Girl Moves. If y'all want to shop for this shirt, the link is in the description. It's my business, you guys can support. So yeah, I'm gonna be showing you guys how I make my vision board, putting these things into the law of attraction, the atmosphere. God, he will be hearing all of my prayers, and everything I'm putting on that vision board will come true 2020. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I make my vision boards, then let's go, come on.
What? Watch people say, hey, okay. Naruto, nine-tail, fox, I feel like a Gucci ad-lib.
So for making a vision board, you guys can honestly take pictures and cut out things from magazines. We did not have any, so therefore I'm just getting all of my pictures and stock photos from the internet, Google. You can search whatever your main central theme is for your vision board and find cute pictures that way. So basically I'm gonna start off my vision board with a central theme, a quote. I got the idea from one of my favorite YouTubers. You guys, I think I found my central quote. It is literally perfect. I was going to put make it happen, girl shock everyone, but honestly this is so much simpler and it's basically like straight to the point. So now that I have my central quote, I'm gonna go ahead and get all my pictures, all my Photoshop things together. What I mean by Photoshop is if you have like a YouTube subscriber count, or if you want your Instagram page to have a certain following, you can Photoshop the number on top of said photo. I got stickers, some markers, got the tape on deck. Now that I have my central quote, I'm gonna go ahead and print out all my stuff and then come back to show you guys how I place it on the poster board. I will see you guys in a few seconds. So I've gotten all the pictures and things like that, and I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how we start this bad boy. Like I said, I have some letter stickers, we got the tape, and we have the markers, and we have Majesty. No, can you back up? Back it up. Can you get off of my board? Hello? All right guys, so first I'm gonna cut out some shapes or something at the bottom of this board and at the top to make it a little bit cuter. So basically that is going to be the top part of my vision board, and this is the bottom, kind of giving it like a crown type of look. Taking our central quote, I'm gonna go ahead and cut this out and put it right in the middle. Move! Our central quotes going right there in the middle. So I'm just gonna go ahead and speed past everything else so that you guys can see how I design my vision board. I will explain it when I'm completely finished.
Trying to be rude, baby.
guys, so I actually have the vision board all made and finished, and I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what it looks like, and then we're gonna go ahead and stick it up on our wall. All right, here it is. Starting from the top, we have, of course, the year 2020. I definitely want to put at the top, you guys, me getting my first car. Yes, I do not have a car yet, and I'm 21 years old, and it is okay. If you're like me and you don't got a car and you're 21 years old, I know we're struggling together, but you know, we got this. This is basically just my dream of having just a car to get to where I need to go. And beneath the car, I do have brains. I am going to UCF this semester, so I am definitely trying to be on that Dean's list. Yes, ma'am. I want to be on the Dean's list for my College of Communications major, and I just want to do well and succeed. Okay, why you gotta walk on? And then beside that, I of course around UCF I have like joining organizations and clubs, and this picture kind of just represents like meeting friends and stuff like that, or meeting new people. If you see me at UCF, say hey to me. I would love to meet you. Like I already stated, this is my main central quote in the middle of the page. Should, would, could, all that is crossed out and it says did. To the left side of the page is basically where all the money goals are at. I got this blank check that I printed out, and on top of the blank check I basically just put an amount that I would love to have in my checking account. You guys, please excuse the jingles in the background. That is my cat literally fighting a rug. I put an amount of $25,000. Yes, because why not? I can do it. I got just this money thing here that says wealth. My business, you guys know the shirt that I was wearing this morning, that is from Queenish.com. This is the shop. This is like a Shopify example of like sales that we make throughout like the month. So I definitely want this to come to pass for my business. Look at this. These are some of our designs. So this is the Chase Checks Not Men sweatshirt, the Blessed Educated Queen t-shirt, and then the Blessed sweatshirt. Of course, I had to put my banking account info on here. I went ahead and scratched out the checking and account numbers because I mean, y'all don't need to see that. I photoshopped these numbers in here to see what I want in my savings and what I would love to see in my checkings, you know, just on a day-to-day. It's good to have more money saved than more money that you're disposed or using. Yeah, that's why I have a lot more money in my savings as opposed to my checking. On the bottom left-hand side of the vision board, I have traveling. You guys, if you don't know about YouTube Next Up, this is for the YouTube Black series. Basically just caters to all African Americans, and you get to go on this trip, all expense paid, and I just have been wanting to go to that like so bad. So basically I qualified in 2019 and I never got to do it because it was around the time I was still gonna be in school. So I would love to do it this year. So for traveling, I would love to go to Rodeo Drive, Beverly Hills. I really want to go to LA. I've never been there, and I feel like if it's in the United States, like why not put on the vision board? Like anything can happen. You got the airplane for traveling going on. This is a big quote. This is actually on one of our t-shirt designs on our business. It is actions over excuses, and definitely need to put that in account for myself, because a lot of things that could have happened this year were kind of halted or didn't happen because of excuses as opposed to me doing what I need to do. Moving on, we have our social media growth. You guys already know I've been trying to get to 100K. This year I haven't done as much as I wanted to as with YouTube, so I wanted to go ahead and re-put that 100K for my YouTube channel, and then for my Shop Queenish Instagram page and my own personal Instagram page, I would love to hit over 10K. I just honestly forgot to print out the 10K, so I just kind of put numbers, random numbers on my thing. But yeah, around it I have a bunch of little quotes, like this one says, money looks better in the bank than on your feet. She's building her empire. and it's not failure if you enjoy the process. That was actually a quote from Oprah Winfrey. So here in the center, we have the whole exercising thing. I get a ton of questions from you guys asking me if I still exercise or am I still on my weight loss journey. And I really have not been exercising that much. So yes, I definitely wanted to add the exercising in there because honestly, it's not about me being fit, it's about me trying to exercise more. The videos that you guys saw me do for workout videos during the summer in 2019, that was literally the only time I worked out. You're a fraud! Can you please get out? And also next to the workout thing, I put "Hey warrior, keep going," because I know that honestly exercising and staying healthy can be hard, so I just wanted to put that quote next to that. I did not want to put a guy on my vision board, but you know, like the vision board says, unless God sent you, I'm unavailable. I'm really not trying to be looking for a dude or waiting for a guy. Basically, I'm just trying to go through the motions of my life. If I happen to meet someone and you know God sent you, then hey. Underneath that we have a Bible because I definitely want to read my Bible more, be closer with God, and build a better relationship. And it also stands for me just reading more in general because I honestly don't read that many books. And up at the top, I honestly forgot to mention this, I definitely want, it goes with the whole brains and the school stuff, I definitely want to pass all my finals, pass my classes. It says I will not be defeated and I will finish strong. And that is my 2020 vision board, you guys. Okay, you guys, that is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed me making my vision board. I had a great time doing it. This is obviously going to be my last video of 2019. We are getting ready to be in a new year, in a new decade, and you guys, I'm so grateful that over 41,000 of you guys are sticking with me throughout this year and the years in the past, and I'm just so grateful for that once again. I love each and every single one of you guys, and I will see you in 2020. Thank you guys so much for being with me for this video. I love each and every single one of you guys. Peace out. See you later.